China Railway Design Corporation is the only comprehensive Grade A survey and design institute under China Railway Corporation. The corporation pioneered many industry firsts since its establishment in 1953. A good standard is required to ensure a comprehensive life cycle of railway engineering construction. Hence, the standard being referred to also requires software support. The Dassault Systems 3DEXPERIENCE platform is based on a single platform and design library and is well suited for our needs. Moreover, we can enable many design disciplines to co-design on a unified platform. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform is the gold standard due to openness and support of the China Railway standards. The 3DEXPERIENCE platform is not only used for 3D design, but more importantly, it is integrated with the management platform. Managers can access various data from the management console and have clear visibility into the design process.
In the Jakarta to Bandung high-speed railway project, ensuring the correct gradient of ground longitudinal slope at the construction site was crucial to retain the structure of the project. By adjusting the location of the tunnel entrances on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, excavation work on the side and upward-facing slope was significantly reduced, which considerably protected the local environment.
For me as an engineer, the 3DEXPERIENCE platform primarily enables many disciplines to co-design on a single database. Secondly, the platform can provide very intuitive 3D structured design to our special complex bridge structure. For instance, when we work on a typical bridge structure, engineering design for railway projects, it is a framework structure and has a range of structure forms or structural dimensions. Nonetheless, we can generate it through 3DEXPERIENCE, more specifically driving the structural design with parameterization. When the structural form changes, we can rapidly start finite element pre-processing. The feature helps us save a lot of time and significantly move our design efficiency. We expect our partnership with Dassault Systems to help us to increase the level of digitalization at the China Railway Design Corporation.